Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nlewam Oluchi, aka Peculiar Hair. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Okay, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to join the family before you leave. Okay, for my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. Okay, I so much appreciate you all. For my OGs, oh my goodness, what can I do without you guys? You guys are so amazing. Okay, I appreciate you all too. Okay, you are the main VIPs. Okay, so as you all knows what the video is all about already. Yeah, I know, but please relax and watch till the end. Okay, yes, I know you already know, but relax and watch to the end. Okay, you see, when you are watching, please, you see that advert, oh my goodness, please don't skip. You don't have to skip. Okay, just relax and let it run. Okay, let it run. That's the little way you can support the family. Okay, don't skip the advert. Okay, thank you so much. So today I'll be cooking fresh corn. Yes, as you all can see, we'll have fresh corn here. Yeah, this is the season. Okay, so I'll be cooking fresh corn today. If you really want to know how I cook this fresh corn, just sit back and relax. Okay, just make sure you watch till the end. Okay, yeah, I believe that you will learn one or two things from this video. Okay, you know, some of us, sometimes when we're boiling corn, you know, after staying long hours, okay, the corn will still look strong. I think there is something we are not doing right. Okay, we are here to find out today what can make your corn not to cook, you know, when it's supposed to, as in to take time to cook. Yeah, just keep watching. So now I'll go ahead and continue removing the outer peel. Okay, this one I'm not gonna cook this corn with the hooks, no. So today we are going to remove the outer peel. Okay, just continue watching while I remove everything. Believe we all know how to do this already. Okay, this step, yeah, we all know how to do it already. So for me, I like when I'm doing it, I'll just take my time and remove everything. Okay, because I don't like when I'm eating my corn, I'll be seeing the corn silk, you know what I mean. So I try removing everything out the way I'm doing it right now, like so, you know. So when I'm done like this, then I'll just go ahead and wash the corn. Okay, just keep watching. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, now it's okay, it's perfect, you know. Yeah, it's clean. So here is all I got from the corn. Okay, look at that. Looking so freshy. So I'm going to throw this one away. This is the waste. Okay, I'm going to throw this away without wasting much time. So I will just go ahead right now and wash the corn. So fresh. As you can see, I'm done washing the corn. I'll just go ahead and start boiling the corn. At this point, please don't add anything, okay? Just boil the corn like that, just with only water, okay? For now, allow the corn to boil for some minutes, like 15 minutes, okay? But make sure you check regularly, okay, to see how soft it's getting, as I am doing right now. Wow, can you see that? Yeah, it's okay right now. So I'm ready to add whatever I want to add, okay? Here comes the secret. This is salt, guys. I am adding salt. If you really want your corn to done so quickly, okay, just cook without salt for the first time. Cook 10 to 15 minutes, then you can now add your salt, okay? Add it, cover it, allow it to boil like more 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes, trust me, the corn will be soft, okay? Yeah, as you can see right now, the corn is ready. You're looking at it right now. It is very much ready, and trust me, this corn really tastes amazing, okay? It was so delicious, you know? Just put the salt, but don't put too much salt, okay? Just put it the way you really want it to taste, you see? Yeah, so right now just go ahead and turn off the heat. If you are still watching to this point, you are the best. Thank you so much for watching till the end, okay? I appreciate it all. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Remember to comment below. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe. Here comes the final result. You can eat this with your coconut. Yes, as you see it here, you can eat it with the coconuts. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. See you on my next video. Bye.